Work today is done on teams. Most teams are built and run based on skills and performance. But the most important factors to productivity are relationships and communication. My name's Kirsten Moorfield. I'm co-founder of Cloverleaf. We have interviewed and surveyed hundreds of business leaders, and over, we've heard stories just like this one. So this is Ross's latest performance review, and it's pretty good, so he has put on high-profile teams. But what this doesn't show you is that Ross loves to strategize, but he hates to analyze data. Or that Ross sees missed development opportunities in new hires, but he doesn't feel listened to, and he hates conflict. No one can see this. So no one knows that this is how Ross feels on his team. But this isn't about Ross, it's about his boss. We'll call her Rachel. Rachel is squeezed from every side. And these are the people on her team. She is bewildered why they are not delivering to their capability. All projections show these milestones are achievable. All of her people have done great work before, but the team keeps falling short. How common is this problem? Only 62% of projects meet their goals. The average large IT project goes 45% over budget, 7% over timeline, and delivers 56% less value than expected. Breakdown in communication contributes to 57% of failed projects. Every large organization has hundreds of teams like Rachel's. Now, how could business possibly tolerate such underperformance? Because what's contributing to it is what they can't see: relationships and communication. Rachel has every tool she needs to manage tasks and timelines and budgets, so she assembles her team, she closes the door, and she just hopes for the best. She has no technology to help solve the mystery of relationships and communication. This is the void that Cloverleaf is closing. And here's how we're doing it. So let's imagine that these are the people on Rachel's team. Her problem is she doesn't know how they're going to interact. Now, she does have access to data like this, but it's not at her fingertips, and the information is static. On Cloverleaf, Rachel can choose which information she wants to use. Cloverleaf then cross-maps it all using decades of research and unique algorithms. Immediately, deep insight is delivered to 3 levels of the organization. The first level is Ross and his team. Cloverleaf integrates with their existing software, like email and calendar. So someone is emailing Ross, Cloverleaf shows them the most effective way to communicate with him. Ross is walking into a meeting. Cloverleaf shows the most effective way to relate and communicate. The next level is Rachel. Cloverleaf's proprietary algorithms help Rachel identify the hidden talents in her people. For example, this guy is great at strategy, so she assigns it to him. Without Cloverleaf, she'd have given it to this guy. And this is just one of the many perspectives that Cloverleaf gives Rachel on her people. The final level that Cloverleaf delivers insight to is the enterprise. Enterprise level works on enterprise-level tasks, like integrating a new business. Cloverleaf uses machine learning concepts to help them identify the right combination of people to form new teams that will achieve the best outcomes. Just imagine how Cloverleaf allows for more self-managed, high-performing teams, or how Cloverleaf reduces risk during mergers and acquisitions, reorgs, any other pivotal moment in business. So how are we reaching businesses? We are starting focused on professional project managers, the Rachels. They're in almost every firm. The cost of failure is huge, and the work is highly visible. More specifically, those in agile software development. Now, agile is basically a way of doing project management. And the opening line in the Agile Manifesto is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Yet all of their technology is for processes and tools. We are the first technology to focus on individuals and interactions. These are Cloverleaf's early adopters. Project management technology is a $3.2 billion market, projected to grow at a rate of 12%. Now, the money spent on agile project management alone is growing at 26% to nearly $2 billion by 2020. Our core revenue model is our SaaS platform with monthly recurring subscriptions and annual contracts. And now, just like Google, Slack, and others, we offer pricing per person per month. And currently, we're at $10 a person a month, which means a department of 100 is $1,000 a month. We start with small teams inside an organization and grow from there, increasing our long-term revenue potential with each person we add. And it's working. This means our market opportunity goes well beyond our early adopters in project management. We've seen incredible growth. We are post-revenue, we have over 1,000 users, and we are growing fast. And all of this is just in our early stages of product development. These are some of our customers. 8451 is a cutting-edge big data company, and they recognize Cloverleaf as the only technology to focus on individuals and interactions. So they swept it up in their agile teams. They learned how to coach, motivate, accelerate their teams, how to identify the best project managers, and how to best recruit internally. The visibility that Cloverleaf has given 8451 allows them to fully leverage their people. This is an incredible opportunity, and we have the team to deliver on it. Our team has experience with successful startups, as well as managing corporate multi-million-dollar projects, SaaS enterprise sales, and psychology with organizational development. And according to Cloverleaf, we get along nicely. If you are responsible for large-scale projects in a complex organization, come talk to us. We can improve your productivity, increase your visibility, and reduce risk. If you want to invest in the company that's going to change the effectiveness of teams, come talk with us. Thank you.